In the northeast of Italy, in Emilia Romagna, there is a small town called Brisighella. Here they make a type of ravioli which they are incredibly delicious and the easiest pasta shape ever. It's so simple and perfect for those who never made ravioli before. Let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start by making a very simple stock. Onion, carrot, celery, a bit of fresh thyme, sun-dried tomato, peppercorn, and the rind of Grana Padano cheese. Cook the stock for at least 2 hours on a medium heat. Mix eggs and flour together and form a really nice and smooth dough. Cover it and let it rest in the fridge for about half an hour. Meanwhile, we're gonna make the filling. To the ricotta, I'm gonna add a pinch of nutmeg, loads of Grana Padano cheese, an egg yolk, a bit of lemon zest, and a touch of salt. And give it a good mix all together until all the ingredients are well incorporated. The filling now needs to firm up and cool down a little bit, so put it in the fridge and let it rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, you can have a glass of prosecco. This part is so easy. I'm gonna roll the pasta dough nice and thin. Only 1/2 of the pasta, I'm gonna spread all of the filling. Fold over the filling the other half of the pasta and then pat it down with your hands to make it all nice and even. Using a pasta cutter, go all around the edges to enclose the filling. Then cut it into lots of little ravioli, about 2 finger thick. I've filtered the broth, I'm gonna taste it for seasoning, and then I'm gonna salt it like it will be in pasta water to cook the ravioli. Serve the ravioli first and then the broth. Perfect for this time of year or around Christmas time. It's comforting in a bowl. It feels nice and healthy.